It was a bright, sunny morning, and Anna was wide awake with excitement. Today was a big day. It was her very first day at school. She couldn't wait to meet her teacher and make new friends. Anna put on her favorite red dress and white shoes, grabbed her new blue backpack, and hurried downstairs. Inside her bag, she packed pencils, a notebook, and her lunchbox. "Good morning, Anna," her mother said with a warm smile. "Are you ready for your first day at school?" Anna nodded happily. "Yes, I am!" When they reached the school, Anna felt a little nervous. The building was big, with many colorful windows. Children were running and laughing in the playground. Anna held her mother's hand tightly. In the classroom, Anna met her teacher, Miss Green, who greeted her with a kind smile. "Good morning, Anna. Welcome to our class," Miss Green said warmly. Anna smiled back. "Good morning, Miss Green." Miss Green showed Anna her seat next to a girl named Lily. "Hi, I'm Lily," the girl said, holding out her hand. "What's your name?" "I'm Anna," she replied, shaking Lily's hand. "Nice to meet you." The two girls quickly became friends. They talked about their favorite colors and shared stories about their pets. At lunchtime, Anna ate her sandwich and apple while sitting with Lily. Soon, they joined the other children on the swings and laughed together. When school ended, Anna ran to her mother, who was waiting at the gate. "How was your first day?" her mother asked. "It was wonderful," Anna said, her eyes shining. "I have a new friend, Lily, and my teacher, Miss Green, is so nice." As they walked home, Anna thought about her exciting day. She couldn't wait to go back to school tomorrow. The sun began to set, painting the sky in soft orange and pink as Anna whispered, "School is fun."